Next, we will download and install the TensorFlow object detection APIs, and for that we will install Git. Here you can find the TensorFlow API, and we will have to clone all these models, and we will have to implement all these models. So here you can see this is the TensorFlow model garden. It means that this particular repository have different models, and here you can find it here like research, the object detection, and in object detection you can find all these models. Okay, so we will have to clone this particular repository, and we will use it for the object detections. We will keep it in the D section. I will set, like here I will go to the D section. Okay, D, and then I will download the Git. So here click in that. I will click on Windows because I am working on Windows, so it will automatically be downloaded. So if it's not, then click here to download. So actually I have already downloaded and installed. So now you can use this, and it's very easy to install. And after installing that, we will go to the model garden, and we will like go to the code, and then we will copy this code like GitHub TensorFlow model.git, and let's go to the TensorFlow. Let's go to the Anaconda prompt, and here we will say git clone, and we will pass this link here. So it will start cloning. So now the model has been cloned, and now we will check it in the folder. So here you can see models and research, object detection, data, and in the data you can find different models. So we will use all these models for object detection, and especially the mobile net. So in the next playlist, so I hope you guys have enjoyed today. In the next video we will have protobuf installation and Cocoa API. Thank you so much.